Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we'll walk through how to remove Meta AI on WhatsApp. Meta AI is an AI chatbot you can interact with inside WhatsApp. If it's available on your account, you'll see a colorful blue and purple circle at the bottom right corner of your chat screen. Tapping this icon will open Meta AI. Unfortunately, there's no direct option to hide or remove Meta AI within WhatsApp. To remove it, you'll need to switch back to the older version of the WhatsApp app. Here's the process. Tap and hold the WhatsApp app on your device, then tap on App Info. Next, tap on Storage and Cache. Here, you'll find two options, Clear Cache, tap on Clear Cache, and then tap Clear Storage. Tap OK to confirm the process. Once that's done, go back and open the WhatsApp app again. You'll need to log in using the same phone number. After logging in, the Meta AI feature will no longer appear on your WhatsApp. But if you still don't see the change, you can visit any trusted website to install the older version of WhatsApp, which doesn't include Meta AI. And there you have it, that's how you can remove Meta AI from your WhatsApp easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more WhatsApp tutorials. Thanks for watching.